Did you know that sleep is not just for relaxation, but also crucial for your overall health? Getting enough sleep can improve memory, creativity, and even help with weight management. But do you know how much sleep you really need? Most adults need between 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to function optimally. However, this can vary from person to person, so it's important to listen to your body. Establishing a consistent sleep routine can greatly improve the quality of your sleep. Try going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Creating a sleep-friendly environment can also make a big difference in your sleep quality. Make sure your bedroom is cool, quiet, and free of electronic devices. Speaking of electronics, did you know that the blue light emitted by screens can interfere with your sleep? Try to avoid using electronic devices at least an hour before bed. If you're having trouble falling asleep, don't just lie there tossing and turning. Try relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Avoid consuming caffeine or alcohol close to bedtime as they can disrupt your sleep patterns. If you still struggle to get enough sleep, consider consulting a healthcare professional. Remember, good sleep habits are an investment in your overall well-being. So make sleep a priority, and your body and mind will thank you. Now, go and catch some Z's.